Hello everyone, my name is Majid Rahimi and you're watching part 8 of our classical technical analysis course. If you want to watch this course from scratch, you can reach the first video here. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell under this video if you're not a subscriber yet. In previous video, we talked a lot about triangles, symmetrical triangles and right angle triangles. In this video, we are going to measure a minimum target for them and also see some examples in real charts. We can measure a minimum target for triangles as what we did for head and shoulders. I want to show how we can do it in one example, then we will see more examples in real charts. Suppose we have this symmetrical triangle. Then the price penetrates the upper boundary, so we get the signal of more rise in price. For measuring the target, we should draw a parallel line with lower boundary from the first top as what you can see in the picture. This would be our minimum target for this triangle. If price penetrates the lower boundary, we do the opposite, and we draw the line parallel to upper boundary from first recovery button. If you don't get it yet, don't worry. We're going to see more examples in real charts. But I have to mention an important point. Unfortunately, this measurement is not accurate or even valid as much as it was for head and shoulders pattern. So always be careful when you are working with triangles. Let's see our examples. In the next video, we will talk about rectangles and double and triple tops and bottoms as other types of patterns. Share our videos with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching. Have a good time and bye.